everyone, this is Chris Roshan, 24K on Twitter, and
Bill Cody, Vegas Bill on Twitter and Instagram.
And we're both HUAWEI KOLs, and we were excited to see the HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro announced here at the CES 2018 in Las Vegas. And today we're taking a quick overview of the HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro. This is titanium color, and it comes with Leica dual camera. And we'll get to that once we take a look inside. So we like how the box is designed. It's very minimal. And here's the phone right here. Get this pulled out of the box. There's the phone. You can see the bezel is very, very thin on the top and bottom, and then almost non-existent on the sides. There is the fingerprint security scanner there, and we like the nice color banding at the top. You have the two co-engineered Leica cameras right there and a laser finding system along with a dual LED flash. These cameras are RGB and monochrome. The RGB is 12 megapixel and the monochrome is 20 megapixel. So on this side, we'll turn it on, and there's the front screen. It's beautiful, actually. And here is your navigational buttons down here. And what you can do is hide them for even more screen space. So we like that. There's some of the apps installed. So this comes with a Kirin 970 processor along with a AI engine. And this translator helps use your camera to translate text that it sees through the camera into the language of your choice. And you get all of your major Google apps ready to go. This is compatible with at&t and T-Mobile. Looks very nice like that. We'll actually go further inside the box now. So as I said, these were just announced in the United States at CES, and we're currently looking at a European model. So inside you get the fast charger. So this is the European HUAWEI Supercharge. Of course, the US version will come with a proper US Supercharge adapter, and this uses USB Type-C. So here is a USB Type-C cable, and they give you a headset. This is a USB Type-C headset, so it's a corded one, although I like using Bluetooth headsets. And then inside here, it comes with a case, which is very nice, and a SIM opener. So this phone, being European model, will have two slots, one slot for SIM 1 and one slot for SIM 2. And if we open up the camera, you can see that the screen is very clear. You get all of your options at the top. And if we slide over, this is all the photo options that you can use. So HDR, 3D panorama, video, monochrome. So we'll select monochrome. And as you can see, it's now exclusively using the 20 megapixel monochrome sensor. And we slide back over, and it goes back into color mode. It's very quick to change, which we like very much. And it can detect different things that it's looking at, such as food, people, or pets. You can also zoom in. So that's a lot of zoom in right there very quickly, and still makes for a clear image.
And Chris, where can these be found in the United States?
These can be found through multiple outlets online. You can find it at Best Buy as well. And they should be available very soon, if not already. So here again are the two Leica co-engineered cameras, dual LED, and biometric security scanner. This is the HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro. It comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM. That's a staggering amount of RAM, and 128 gigabyte of ROM. It is USB Type-C. It has antennas up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's gigabit LTE capable. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter.
And Bill Cody, Vegas Bill on Twitter.
We'll want to thank you for joining us in this quick overview of the phone, and more details will be in the description below in the video. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.